Hi guys, gonna show you today how to assemble Klimpen. This is from Ikea. That's the one here. 2 drawers on the side with the 4 drawers instead of the legs and a tabletop. Let's do it now. And we're gonna start with side panels. You have 2 side panels, and on each side panel gonna be 4 drawer rails. Just open the packages with the rails. Each package have 4 pieces in. We're gonna need 4 left ones and 4 right ones for the side panels. Secure the rails with the 2 screws. Don't forget the wheel on the rail should be on the front side of the drawer. You put them upside down, you're not gonna be able to slide the drawers in. You're gonna have 2 screws on the bottom of the side panels, 2 screws on each of the side panel. And 3 wooden plugs on the top of the side panel. Plastic locks, 2 on each side on the top of the side panel. Exactly the same here, 3 wooden plugs and 2 plastic locks. Don't forget to point the arrow in the right direction. This is the dividing panels for the drawer. I'm gonna have 1 thicker one, 1 slimmer one. 1 wooden plug on each side and plastic locks, 1 on each side. We can place them in. This is the back one. Secure it with a plastic lock, and the slimmer one, the front one, just place it in and secure the lock. You can put them up and join the other side panel. As you see, the top is still open, and just tap it in and secure it exactly the same as on the other side. Just twist the lock and secure them in place. You can put them up. This is the back panel of the drawer. It's not the usual soft material, it's the solid panel. So 2 wooden plugs on each side, and we can place the panel in. Just slide it in. See, there is those 2 holes for the wooden plugs you just did. And this is the top panel. We're gonna have 4 screws on this top panel, and we can place it in on the top of the drawer. Just find the right holes, tap it in, make sure all sides are in. There it is. And we can secure the locks. Just twist it to the right side and lock them in position. That's the last one secured. Okay, we can put the drawer on the side for now. And we're gonna prepare the bottom part, the bottom of the drawer. So we're gonna have 4 panels, 2 smaller ones. We place the 2 screws on each of the smaller panel. Just screw them in till the stopper. Don't go deeper, don't go higher, otherwise you're not gonna be able to lock the plastic locks in place. The longer ones, 1 wooden plug on each side, and the plastic locks. You can place them in, so we prepare all the frame before we're gonna connect it together. Just don't forget the arrows in the right position as always. And we're gonna have 4 L-shaped brackets on the longer parts of bottom panels. Just secure them with the 1 screw. They're twisting around somehow, so make sure they are straight, aligning with the edge of the panel. Just secure the screws. I found it quite hard, this one, because it was always twisting on the side when the screw come in. But we done it, and we can put the frame together. So watch out the edges. You see there is this curved edge, so that's gonna be all around. That's the top of the panel, and we can secure the locks. This is the last panel, which is make kind of rectangle shape of the bottom panel, and secure the locks. You're gonna have 2 wooden plugs on the top. Just secure them in, and we can bring the drawer back, put it upside down, and put the bottom panel in, bottom frame in. See that those holes, and if you did everything right, the L-shaped brackets, the hole, second hole on an L-shaped bracket should be just on the holes there in the drawer, and we can secure the whole thing with the 4 screws, 1 on each of the bracket. And the drawer is done. We're gonna do the inner drawers now. We're gonna have 4 of them. There's gonna be 2 screws on each of the front panel of the drawer. This is the front panels, so 2 screws. Don't go too deep, don't go too high, just till the stopper. This is the side panels. Each of the side panels have 2 wooden plugs. Just place them in. Sorry, each of the side panel have 1 wooden plug, not 2. The big ones, which we have 2 side panels, have 2. The small ones, they have only 1 wooden plug. Plastic locks, just place them in, arrow in the right position as always, facing the edge of the side panel. And exactly the same on the small side panels for the drawer is plastic locks, 2 on each of the side panel. Then we can join the drawers together just to find the right holes. The locks are on the outer side, and we can secure them. 2 locks on each side panel. Just twist it to the right side and lock them in place. This is the other side. Secure the locks exactly the same. The bottom of the drawer. Just place it the back panel and secure it with the 3 plastic locks on a big drawer. You can place the rail straight away. Watch out where the wheel is going. So the wheel should be at the back of the drawer. Put it the other way around, you're not gonna be able to slide the drawer in. Other side exactly the same, 3 plastic plugs through the back side panel to the back panel. Secure the rail. This is the drawer handle, 2 screws through the front panel securing the handle. And we can place the first drawer in. Exactly the same on those 3 drawers. This is the back panels, just slide them into the front drawer. You can prepare the plastic plugs, just don't put them completely through. Back panel and secure the plastics. Drawer rail, 2 screws on each rail. Drawer handle, 2 screws through the front panel to the drawer handle. Second one is done. Gonna show you in a last one how to put the drawer in from inside. Secure here the plastics, finish them with hit something, I just used the top from the screwdriver, just push them in completely. You see there is kind of hole, so the head should be completely in, and the drawer rails, that's the drawer handle, just place it in and secure it with the 2 screws from inside through the front panel. And this is the last one, back panel. Slide it in to the bottom panel and place 2 plastics plugs through the side panels to the back panel. Rail, 2 screws on each rail. Watch out, the wheel should be at the back of the drawer, don't forget. And the drawer handle, there it is. And this is how you put it in. See, the wheels gonna go over the wheels, so just kind of slide in, and that's it. That's how you slide it in. If you did everything right, you should be fine. So we have 2 drawers ready. It can be freestanding units. This is the plastic stickers which is gonna hold everything in place. I didn't put them on, I just show you where it is. So 1 sticker in each corner, and we can place the top panel on, and that's how the desk look like. Okay, and this is the KLIMPEN desk from Ikea. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel as always. Made my day, don't forget, and see you in my next one very soon. Have a fantastic day. Don't forget to check out the review on the same desk. I'm gonna leave the link in the description and you can see it on the end screen. Thank you for watching.